Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to use multiple photos on TikTok green screen. So first of all, launch TikTok application on your mobile device. Now once you come to your main profile, just tap on the plus button at the bottom. Now go to Effects. Now from here, just search for green screen filter. Tap on the filter on top. Now once you tap on the filter, you can see various photos or videos from your gallery. Now, if you wish to record, you can choose the time period, that is 10 minutes, 60 seconds or 15 seconds. So I'm going to tap on 60 seconds and record this. Now just tap on the red button to record. Then let's stop it, choose another photo from my gallery and then record it again. Let's do the same step again by choosing another photo and recording it again. After this, tap on the Done option that you see at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can see that I have used green screen filter using multiple photos from my gallery. Now, if you tap on Done, you can see that there are multiple photos on TikTok green screen filter that I have used. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.